my professor, he was telling me that the next recession will come because of AI.
Yeah, overall, yeah.
Employment, people start losing their
Then
jobs.
financial issues come.
Yeah, that will happen, not immediately, but the next one will come because of AI. AI will be so integrated into every business process in industries that, suddenly
Mm.
people will start, ending their employment contracts. They'll
Mm.
be searching for jobs, and there won't be jobs in the market.
Even I see, man, even the art.
Oh
You
yeah,
see,
AI art, crazy man.
man, it's disappointing for me, I was like, man, we have spent ages to learn that much, and you are giving me in seconds.
Have you tried Dolly?
Huh?
Dal-E.
There's so many came up. I was like, I hate them now. Yani.
No, but some of them
I
are
see
really
people
good.
getting great results, and
Yeah.
some are really using it. Let's say some guys who are into commercial level, the concept, creation for big movies or big budget movies, they don't need to go and do it themselves for hours of work. You just type in what you need
It will
and
give you
tell the stuff. It will do it for you.
yeah.
I'm like, man. So where is the creativity now going to be? And already there was this. Just like last time when we met, it was the trend of what do you call that blockchain stuff?
NFTs.
NFT. People even forgot. And even I forget now. Like, and what was that? So NFT was like such a disappointment. Also, it was like, okay, but it gave a chance to artists to come back and do something and by themselves digitally. So now it's totally opposite of that.
Not really. So everything when it starts, it gets massively overhyped. So when NFTs came into the picture, they were overhyped. Even when cryptos past 2 years, they were overhyped. Now that hype has gone down. Now it's the AI hype. This hype will stay for maybe 6, 8, 10 months, and then it will go down.
But it will stay, man.
But
It will stay.
see, this is just the starting stages of AI. Just like if anyone asks me about NFT, I'll be like, we're still in the early stages. If you ask me about crypto, we're still in the early stages. There's a lot more to come. What we've seen is just the top. I mean, the bottom. We're just scratching a bit. So even in AI, this is just the initial level. What we're seeing. There's more hype to come.
So those who are already established themselves, for them it is like an added value.
Yeah.
Not for someone who is like still struggling. If someone who has, I think I have to interview for someone who is very qualified for this, like maybe, which is related to artist thing. How is he using it? They can use it to concept generation very easily then, because it's what are the basics, fundamentals of art. You just use that there and get the work done faster.
True.
So it's like there are pros and cons.
See, the thing is, what you need to realize is AI will always help you in your tasks.
Yeah.
It's there to make your life easy.
Mm.
So I was writing, I'm doing my MBA, right? So my last month, I was studying about artificial intelligence only. Yeah. So that's
you
why
have so much to share.
and my whole research was on AI because I had to write a
So
full
what was
paper.
your latest research?
No, I was researching about Facebook only, Facebook and what they're doing and all that. So one thing we need to understand that AI, when it is implemented in any business process, it cannot fully replace a human. You can ease certain tasks. Maybe if you have 10 people doing the same task, you will reduce that to 3 or 2, but humans will still be needed at the end of the day. And there are different levels of artificial intelligence. We're still at, a very, very basic level.
Yeah.
Eventually, as, technology develops, as protocols develop, we need to see what Musk is going to come out with, Neuralink. He has a company called Neuralink, which is going to implant chips into humans and do something.
It's already done.
No, the human trials are going to start.
Already, one of the countries, one of the interviews I heard, they're like, it's already done.
I think
you just open the door.
No, not that is different. That's not Neuralink.
So what are you saying?
That is old stuff.
Identity, right?
That Neuralink is different.
What's Neuralink?
There's a chip which is implanted in your brain, which downloads information from the internet to your brain.
Seriously?
Search Neuralink.
Ah.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Crazy, man. I don't know what's happening nowadays. Neuralink.
Neuralink. Elon Musk.
It's 2 months back, huh?
Sake, it's one of other monkeys, typing on a keyboard.
Developing ultra-high bandwidth brain-machine interface to connect humans and computers.
He's not actually using a keyboard. He's moving the cursor with his mind to the highlighted key. Now, technically, you can't actually spell, and I don't want to oversell this thing. Really cool
So I have seen some of this video. I thought it's just general research work going on.
The mouse cursor using just his mind.
So this is neural thing, huh?
This one is Neuralink, where they're going to connect the brain to computers and the internet.
So things.
Maybe you don't need a device also later. Maybe you can just think, okay, I want this, and
just
you get the answer.
Close the remote, or switch off the TV. Just done. Switch off the lights. Done. Like that, huh? Control the phone.
For this, the human trials are going to start soon.
This is Elon Musk's project?
Control their phone better than someone who has working hands.
So he's doing it from past 2 years already, huh?
2 years it's been in product development.
So man. It's a competition between the heart and the mind now.